I contacted Avalon about this tray popping out, and they sent me another one. You can see up close, see that little protrusion, one on each corner. They're supposed to come up through those holes, and they do, but it's not enough. If you pull on it to open the door, that just pops out. I thought about putting a piece of silicone bead on there, and I thought about putting something on top of here to make it a little tighter. I actually found something that will work. I found these washers in my toolbox. They're like a fiber. I don't know where I got them from, but I have a bunch of spare parts. What I'm going to do, see, the idea is when you push it in, push something underneath here, hold this front up, and it'll keep it from popping out a little bit. So we're going to sit in here right about there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in most of the way, and then I'm going to slide this underneath here, which is going to be underneath this part on the bottom. Slide that one in, slide that one in. The first one fell out, put it back in and shut it. That grips it, it gives a bit of grip, just enough so when someone opens that, it doesn't automatically pop out. Good to go.